At a detailed look at the 7 judges who will be presiding over the BBI appeal case set to kick off tomorrow at the appeal court. We have Justice David Musinga, who is the current president of the Court of Appeal. In 2009, he nullified the creation of 2010 new districts, saying the units which were done in a period of more than 10 years by President Kibaki and Daniel Moi contravened the constitution. He also thwarted the appointment of Judge Alashir Vishram and Githu Muigai as Chief Justice and Attorney General respectively in 2009. In 2013, Justice Musinga sat in a bench that faulted the High Court decision to redraw electoral boundaries following a petition over the creation of 18 new constituencies. Now, the next is Lady Justice Roslyn Nambuye, who was admitted to the bar in 1976 and joined the bench as a district magistrate in 1980 and worked in Nairobi, Nakuru, Kericho, Eldoret, Kisumu, and many other stations. She was the first woman principal magistrate and ultimately the first woman chief magistrate. In 1991, she was appointed the 3rd female judge in the High Court of Kenya. Lady Justice Roslyn Nambuye joined the Court of Appeal in 2011, where she has been to date. The third is Lady Justice Hannah Okwengu, who was admitted to the bar in 1980 and practiced briefly before joining the Kenya judiciary as a resident magistrate in 1983. In 1999, she was appointed to the Kenya Anti-Corruption Authority as Assistant Director in charge of prosecutions, a position to which she was seconded from the judiciary for a period of 2 years. She returned to the judiciary, posted to Mombasa as Chief Magistrate, where she served until 2003, when she was appointed a judge of the High Court and posted to Nyeri. Lady Justice Hannah Okwengu has moved through the ranks in the judiciary and has since 2011 been serving as a Justice of Appeal in the Kenya Court of Appeal. Next is Justice Patrick Kiage, who was admitted to the role of advocate in 1993. In 2007, he was appointed as a special prosecuting counsel in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. He taught criminal procedure and practice, as well as family law at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa and trial advocacy at the Kenya School of Law. Justice Kiage graduated with a law degree from the University of Nairobi in 1984. He also studied in Boston University. He has taught commercial law at the University of Nairobi since 1990 and is a judge of the Court of Appeal. Next is Lady Justice Fatuma Sichale, who was admitted to the role of advocate in 1983. She worked as a resident magistrate till 1987 before proceeding to private practice. She joined the Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission in 2003 through the board and was appointed the vice chair. She was picked by Aaron Ringera and appointed Assistant Director of Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission in August of 2004 and rose to the position of Deputy Director in 2005. She resigned from KACC in October 2009. Lady Justice Fatuma Sichale served as a council member of the Law Society of Kenya as well as Council of FIDA prior to appointment to the bench. And last but not least, we have Justice Francis Tuyot. He is among the judges that President Uhuru Kenyatta appointed as Court of Appeal judges this year, sat in the 5-judge bench that determined the dispute between Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu and Director of Public Prosecution Nordin Haji and Director of Criminal Investigations George Kinoti. The BBI case was taken to the Court of Appeal after a 5-judge bench of the High Court ruled against the BBI process, terming it as unconstitutional, null and void on Thursday, May 13th. Be sure we'll be covering that appeal case tomorrow. In a way, only we can hear on KTN News. We take a short break on News Desk. We still have much more on the other side.